with Pride Month tayo mga ka-MB, ay may mga makakasama tayo. Oo, para ipagpatuloy ang laban ng karapatan ng LGBTQIA+ community. Kaya naman narito at makakasama natin ngayong umaga sa ating Bidayan Siya.
Bidayan Siya.
Na Queen of Strawberry 2024.
Wow! Ayan, so may queen pa lang strawberry, no? Sino ba talaga? Oh, bakit parang ganun yung mukha mo? Ba't parang dismayado ka?
Queen of Strawberry, hello, you're looking at one again. Oh,
ay, oo nga. So,
siyempre, ipakilala na natin sila.
Oh, ano ba?
Advocating for youth empowerment and awareness, the Queen of Bahong. Let's welcome Miss Cathalea.
Opa, the posture.
Ayan. Sige, Aurum Girl. Love it.
Opa. Para siya mapuputol, oh.
Sige, i-bend ko pa yan.
Ayan, isa pa.
Powerful.
Ay. From the Rose, capital of the Philippines, Bahong!
Yes naman, powerful si Miss Cathalea.
Oh.
Next, we have a queen who's advocating for the environment and health. The Queen of Pico. Let's welcome Miss Ivana.
Oh.
Yes. Sorry sa...
So fierce. Oh. Oh.
Ang pretty naman ni Miss Ivana.
Ikot yan, ikot yan.
Twist yan.
Ivana Smith from the land of business people, Pico, La Trinidad.
Congratulations, Queen of Pico. Now, let's welcome a queen who's advocating for HIV awareness, mental health, and environmental awareness, the Queen of Tawang, Miss Chris.
Ay, iba din ang atake, oh.
Oh. Yan.
Oy.
Fierce look tayo dyan.
May pa-reveal pala sila.
Pak, iikot yan ng
Ikot
isang
yan,
beses.
ikot yan.
Pak, sabi sa'yo eh.
Oh.
Pak.
Isa pa.
Boom. Tas haharap pa yan ng konti. Pak.
Balita ko mag-split yan. Joke lang.
Chris Tiffany Hanson, your Queen of Tawang.
Congratulations! Now, let's have a queen who's advocating for holistic health and HIV awareness, the Queen of Pugis. Let's welcome Miss Ali.
Okay, pasabog ang atake.
Bet ko ang ngiti ang ganyan talaga. Saang kapalulugar dyan? Pak, sabi. Ayan.
Tatambling yan.
Alison Bayote, from the home of fertile land and self-flourishing agriculture, Barangay Pugis.
Ayun, Miss Ali. Parang bagay ako sa mga ito kasi yung pangalan ko Miss Bea.
Sige nga. Dapat may entry din dapat.
Sure.
Sige. Ayan na. Oh.
Kilala mo naman ako.
Okay, so
Pinapakilala ko siya. Sabi.
ayan, introducing Miss Bea.
Kailangan may fringe yan. Miss Bea! Ganun lang. At syempre makakasama din naman natin ang chairman ng At The Moment Production, Mr. Alvin T. Morales.
Ayan.
Haharap din yan.
Haharap din yan.
Ay, hindi
wala
na?
po.
Wala, ano ba yan? Ayan ang ating Queen of Strawberry 2024. Unahin na natin si Miss Cathalea. Can you give us more of this advocacy?
So, hi, I'm Cathalea, and my advocacy is youth empowerment and awareness, which is related to HIV awareness, that's our project in here in Queen of Strawberry. Youth empowerment and awareness is something that we can share to the community right now, which is HIV relates to the Philippines because HIV is the biggest issues that we
Yes.
face. Thank you.
Right now? So, talaga niya? Oo,
Oo.
si Miss Ivana. Gusto kong tanungin sa'yo personal naman. Yung Ivana ba, saan nakuha tong pangalan na ito?
From my nickname, which is actually Ivan.
Oh,
Oh.
nice! I love the play of name.
Oo
So
nga.
I just add the letter A to make it Ivana.
Mm-mm. And you're advocating for?
My advocacy would be for a health and environment. That goes because, of course, Queen of Strawberry, in order for us to have that lot of strawberries around, we need to maintain the health of our environment as well, because our environment can affect as well our health and our daily lifestyle. So we should make sure that both of them are balanced so that it would be more and we can live longer.
Yes, that's true because our health depends on the environment.
Tama. And
Oh,
I like,
if you are living in a good environment, you're healthy. If not, you're not healthy.
oo, balance nga. Sabi,
Yeah,
diba?
so if it's balance, it's a guitar use. Hindi, libra.
Napaisip ako. Paano naging sa
Napaisip ka, no?
guitarist yun?
Yeah, thank you very much, Miss Chris. Your advocacy?
My advocacy is focusing the three critical issues right now, which is HIV and AIDS and environmental awareness and also mental health.
Oh, 'di ba? Talagang hindi nawawala yung HIV because ito talaga yung at malalaman natin 'yan mamaya kay Dr. Alvin. And last but not the least, Miss Ali. May kanta ako sa talaga. Maganda talaga yung Miss Ali. Ta-na-na-na, Ali Ababa. Tan 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 ta-na-na-na.
Miss B, nakakatanggal ng ganda. Nagmumukha ka tomboy dyan.
Ta-na-na-na.
Oh.
Tinuloy. Your advocacy, Miss Ali?
So yung advocacy ko po is on holistic health, and under holistic health is the HIV awareness din po. So meron po kaming hashtag na know your status at saka get tested po.
Wow! Ang ganda naman. Sa advocacies pa lang ng mga queens natin na kasama natin this morning, alam na natin na itong Queen of Strawberry talaga may advokasya na ipinaparating sa lahat. Kaya naman nandito si Dr. Alvin para naman ipaliwanag sa atin why, how this Queen of Strawberry came to be.
Yes, okay. So in lieu with Pride Month, of course, month of June and July, we are organizing this event for us to showcase also the talent of our queens. Not only Mr. and Miss, but for us to showcase already na open na po ang LGBTQ plus community, most especially in the municipality of La Trinidad. That's why they will promote also their advocacy, and I'm very much happy and thankful, grateful. Why? Kasi ang dami lang gustong gawin. Kasi if ever na kung sino ang mananalo sa kanila, out of 16, we will support their advocacy.
Ang ganda
Yes,
na.
may budget po.
16
Yes.
ang kandidata.
Kompleto po lahat ng mga barangays kasi there are 16 barangays in the municipality of La Trinidad.
Wow! So each is representing barangays sa La Trinidad. Ang ganda naman
So this
nito.
is the first time, ma'am.
Na
Ma'am Bea.
kumpleto.
Yes.
Wow, congratulations po. At napakaganda ng advokasya ng Queen of Strawberry, na hindi lang siya titulo. Bagkus meron talagang magagawa after. And what are you looking forward to, mga queens? Sinong gustong sumagot? Looking forward sa pageant natin. Looking forward sa magaganap na gabi ng kagandahan.
Of course, so this coming Saturday, witness, excuse me, our pre-pageant at the municipality of Municipal Hall, La Trinidad. We will be doing our talent, swimwear, and production as well. So, the pre-pageant will start at 5 p.m. exactly, and you can actually avail as well our tickets for only 60 pesos. Our tickets for Coronation Night, that would be on July 27. That would be 80 pesos. You can approach Dr. Alvin or any of the queens. Thank you.
Wow naman! Ang mura na,
Ang
tapos ang
mura.
gaganda pa na mapapanood mo talaga, di ba? Saan po mapupunta yung ating, yung for the tickets?
Yes. if ever, okay, may ma-accommodate po tayo sa mga sales of tickets, we will support their advocacy and they will choose their beneficiary as well. Kung sino po yung mananalo.
Wow naman, may beneficiary pa.
But we're not able to include dun sa mga promos ay mga promotion advertisement namin, but kung meron pong ma-accumulate. Yun
Pero
po yung
ang kagandahan nito, you have a long time to prepare, ano? So July 27 pa ito.
27. We started May 16. They had their screening. Yeah,
Wow.
Talagang 3 months preparation ito, and I think they are enjoying kasi we had a lot of activities.
Oo.
Yesterday they had their plugging, nagpulot sila ng mga basura from Poblacion
Nice.
to Betag.
Oo.
Then, they attended already 3 series ng HIV and STI awareness seminar. Then, they had also their personality and stress management seminar. Then, upcoming this month of July, they will be having a strawberry picking and tree planting.
Tapos meron pa kayong ginawang first LGBTQI yung AIDS candle lighting.
Yes, they attended also.
Nag-attend din kayo. Wow naman. And how is it so far? May
muna,
spokesperson.
mamaya daw ako,
Oo.
sabi niya.
How are the preparations so far para sa ating big night?
So, yung preparation, well, iba-iba kami ng preparation. Merong sa walking, merong preparation for their wardrobes and makeup artists and different preparation talaga. So, ako, ang preparation ko lang naman talaga is may Q&A.
Sa Q&A.
Kasi yan yung pinakamabigat
Yes,
talaga eh.
oo.
Sabi ko nga, it's not just about the face anymore. It's not just about the body. It's what's inside that matters when it comes to pageants. Sali nga, pwede pong humawa. Anong i-represent? Oo, pag 17, anong i-represent ko? Capitol.
Capitol. Kinalaban lahat eh.
Oo. Kamusta naman ang mga events natin so far?
Actually, we're enjoying, and also the candle lighting of HIV and AIDS. We do also sports. That time, we do basketball.
Wow!
Yes.
Wait lang.
We played volleyball.
May sports
Yes,
events
that
talaga. Sana sumali ako diyan. Oo,
Parang
to
na-imagine ko
cheer.
tuloy nagbabasketball sila tapos naka-high heels sila.
Uy, why not?
Ay, oo
Why
nga,
not,
no?
diba? Oo, isang advocacy na rin yun. Oo, women's rights. Anyway, eto meron akong trivia para sa inyo. Although nasabi ko din ito kahapon. Lahat ng mga pumupunta dito, na mga pageant queens, sumasali sa mga pageants, isa nananalo. Oo. Meron, sinisigurado kung isa sa inyo makikita ko pagkatapos ng coronation night kasi ma-interview namin kayo. Oo, kaya nga pinipilit ko talaga, Kams kayo, papuntahin niyo yung mga, kasi merong nababasbasang isa talaga. Palagi. Yung Miss Teen Baguio, if you can remember yung episode natin na pumunta ang Miss Teen Baguio, nag-win yung isang nandito.
Wow. So, malay mo, isa pala sa mga nagagandang apat na to ang title holder.
May nakikita na ako eh. Na-pressure sila. Gagalingan ko, nakakahiya naman sa morning balitaktakan. So, hindi naman. Maybe we can invite them po sa darating na pre-pageant and sa grand coronation.
So, mabuhay mga taga Trinidad and Baguio and CAR. So, we are inviting you this coming Saturday. Yan, ito na yung mga efforts ng mga candidates natin. They will be showcasing their talent. Of course, may swimwear, intellectual ability, and casual interview. Ayan, may closed door interview on that day also. Kaya talagang brain and beauty talaga ang pinag-uusapan. Not only showcasing their beauty, but of course, for them to promote their advocacy. So, June 22 po, 5 o'clock, Municipal Gym. And July 27 at 5 o'clock, Benguet State University Gymnasium. You're all invited. Andun na rin po yung nagbebenta ng mga tickets. Thank you.
Ayan.
I think we'll see you there. Yeah, I think we'll see. I'm gonna be there.
Why?
I wanna see them in their evening gown kasi yung favorite ko na part talaga ng pageant. Ano bang favorite part nyo ng pageant?
Ako po, evening gown talaga.
Evening
Kasi
gown.
parang glitz and glamour talaga siya. And dun na yung parang ibibigay mo lahat ng efforts and your everything.
Totoo. No, ikaw, miss? Chris?
For me, swimsuit.
Ay, swimsuit.
Confidence. Oo, dyan lumalabas kasi talaga ang confidence, right? Why?
Because I am actually not that physical fit.
Oo.
I want to showcase that you need to embrace our own uniqueness.
Yes, body positivity. And
Q&A actually.
sabi ko na nga eh. Sabi ko na nga may sasagot at may sasagot ang Q&A eh.
Oo.
Oo, at siya yun eh.
Inaantay ko din.
Hinantay ko eh. Bakit? Di ba yun yung pinakamahirap?
Of course, joining pageant, you cannot just expect that you only have beauty. Of course, in joining pageants, any kind of pageants, you need also to have that strong and power mind in order for you to encourage other people to join as well.
Oh, di ba?
Oh.
Sampulan nga natin ito ng
Oo
matindihang katanungan. Bakit dilaw? Ha? And Miss Catalea?
I think the national costume or the festival costume that we wear.
Yes,
Oh.
ang bigat nun ah.
Oh.
Doon mo talaga, actually hindi yung kagandahan ng kasuotan yun eh. Kung physically fit ka ba?
Oo.
Kasi talagang magbubuhat ka. Ang hirap nun. Hindi ko pa na-try.
Parang gusto mo matry.
Parang ayoko na kasi tinitignan mo, okay, maganda,
Oo.
kaya mo na yan.
Parang bagay sa'yo yung
Yung
bundok, ganun yung dadalhin mo. Tapos may flowers, mga ganun.
bundok sa
Tapos
flowers sa bundok.
Oo.
Sa bagay, pwede din na.
Oo. Tapos may cruise, ay, rest in peace, ganun. Joke lang. Joke lang.
Gusto ko talagang manakit po, opo. Anyway,
Ayan.
thank you very much for coming. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. And we're looking forward sa mga iba pang events natin up until the July 27, your grand coronation. And we're hoping na we're also gonna be, yes, we're gonna be there.
I'm gonna be there.
I wanna watch that, ha? I'm gonna be supportive.